Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain my second automation campaign in Keap.com in the CRM of Keap. So, I did explain in the previous video concerning our first campaign, which was marketing automation with Keap, and I did connect bark.com website. It is a website that gives leads to customers. So I am a web design company. We are the web design company, and we get some leads from these websites. And this can help also other companies to get also leads from here. So when we receive a lead from here in Bark, automatically when we accept it, we will send it to Keap through this Zapier.com, and we will tag this lead with Bark tag here in our Zapier program. So after that, we have some custom fields that we built here in the software that will help us to do this. So we have here Bark categories, and we have these are the categories that we work for in our company. And also we have Bark country, if it is US or Canada, it is a specific one that will receive the country name. So that what we did in the first campaign, we created this one in automation with this one. Its name is Bark. This is the first campaign that we talked about it in the previous video, and we do a diamond decision diamond, and in this decision diamond we have here Canada and US leads. So if it is a US leads, it will directly connect this sequence to another campaign, which is the campaign that we are going to talk about it today. So let me go here and open. It is here, Bark US leads. So let's go inside this campaign and let's see what we have here. So after we received the lead from bark.com and we verified it is from United States, we automatically send an automated email after 1 minute to the customer. And here we have a uh, merged custom fields, which is this one here about category. Here we merge the category. So here it will verify if it is from web design, it will put here add web design services. If it is SEO, it will add here SEO services. So it is a custom email to our customers. After we send this email here, we have here the booking meeting for a phone call or a video call. So after we send this one here, we go through this one by verifying if there is an email clicked, if there is a click on the email here, like here to book the meeting. After this one, we go to the next sequence and we wait another 2 hours. And after we wait 2 hours here, what will happen? We have three things here. The first one here, we will verify if there is a booking, the goal is achieved with someone here, or this one, if there is a booking of 30 minutes coaching call, or if there is sorry, what we have here, if there is a booking of video consultation call. If so, we will go through to this appointment booking sequence, and we will apply a tag here, which is appointment booked to this lead, and we stop here. And we have here a decision diamond. It will verify if the tag of appointment booked is applied to the customer here. So we go to appointment booked sequence. If not, we will go to follow up. And here in follow up, we will have another sequence here. We will send another email for another follow up email to this customer, to this lead, sorry. And then we will wait 1 day and we will verify if there is an appointment box tag added to the customer. So we will go to this lead, we will go to appointment box. If not, we will go to the next step here. We will wait 2 hours. We will go to the next step here. which is this follow-up here. Then we will wait another 2 hours. After that, we'll have the decision diamond. If this there is in the decision diamond here, we will verify the same thing if it is the appointments box or not. If it is a box, we'll go here and we stop. If not, we'll create a task to call the customer, to call this lead and see what's going on. Maybe this lead didn't open his email, but we have his a phone number, so we'll call him and verify with him if he is still interested. So this campaign here, the second one, is a little bit different from the first one because here we try to make it small, but we are going to develop it more and more based on what we receive from our leads from the website of bark.com.